Hi and welcome to this RANE fader installation tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to install the Mag4 in your 72 mixer. Before we get started, make sure you have firmware 153 installed on your 72. This update is required in order for the Mag4 to be compatible with this mixer. To install the Mag4, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you perform the installation in a clean environment to help reduce your contact with any dirt or debris. It's very important the mixer is turned off while replacing any fader. Swapping out the faders with the power on could damage the faders or the mixer. So first we need to remove the fader caps. They'll have some slight resistance to them, but should come right off. If not, a tip is to slide a ruler under the fader cap to loosen. Next, using the Phillips head, remove all 6 screws from the top panel. Make sure you keep these in a safe place for when you reattach the panel. So with the top panel removed, you can now see all of the Mag3 fader assemblies. We'll be installing the Mag4 as our crossfader, but you can also use this in any of the channel faders if you wish to. To remove the existing crossfader, remove both screws at each end of the assembly. When removing the final screw, be sure to steady the fader with one hand so it doesn't fall into the mixer. The next thing we need to do is remove the ribbon cable. It's important to minimise your contact with any of the exposed circuit boards during this process to protect the PCB from any static discharge from your hands. Now it's time to install our Mag4. With the ribbon connector facing away from you, attach the cable and carefully move the fader into position. Make sure to use the 2 mounting screws provided with the Mag4. The last stage will be to calibrate the fader. Power up your 72, connect a USB cable and launch the RANE 72 app. Head to the calibration panel of the app and follow the on-screen instructions to ensure the fader is operating correctly. So now we're all set up to use our Mag4 with the 72. Be sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials and tips on your RANE products.